Is your TikTok saying no internet connection? Even though you know you are connected, I was having the same problem. Just prove it. I opened YouTube and a video played perfectly fine. So the internet wasn't the issue. Here is how to fix it. Open your phone settings. Scroll down and find App Management or Apps. The name might be different depending on your Android phone. Go into your app list, search for TikTok and tap on it. Tap on storage and hit clear data. Don't worry, this just reset the app. Before open TikTok, turn off your internet and Wi-Fi connection. Now open TikTok. Backup, boom, videos are playing and the errors is gone. Drop a like if this video helped you out and save this video just in case it happens again.